Intravenous extravasation can lead to severe tissue damage if not addressed swiftly. It's crucial to understand the risks and consequences to ensure patient safety. A rapid response is vital to prevent long-term complications and enhance care quality. Our ready-to-go response pack is designed for quick action. It includes heat and cold packs, clear kit box, medical tape, nitrile gloves, 10 milliliters Luer lock syringe, cotton balls, sterile gauze dressings, or non-adherent pads and drug charts. These tools align with NICE, CQC, and local policy standards, ensuring compliance and effective patient care. Discover how our solutions help your team stay prepared during critical moments. Each kit features an incident report form, provides a factual account of the incident, drug quick reference chart showing treatment guidance at a glance, a laminated staff checklist to support actions under pressure, and an optional patient information leaflet for effective communication and discharge supports. Our team aids in policy rollout and staff engagement, offering training tools and ward maps. Customized solutions to fit your trust's workflow, ensuring seamless integration and improved patient safety. Contact us for tailored support and samples on 012749650089.